Hi guys, it's been a screwy month, last 2 months. Got Lydia home Tuesday night, it's now Wednesday night, and I'm learning about all kinds of new things. We've always used lending hands to get wheelchairs and home medical equipment that you needed to have, because lending hands here in Kalamazoo will just loan you the piece that you need, as long as it's the ones they have. They have wheelchairs and walkers and things like that. And Lydia needs a wheelchair right now because her leg's messed up. So we're doing that. We also are getting some stuff to help her get up and use the restroom. A couple of pieces of equipment, a sliding chair for in the bathtub and a set of handrails for the toilet. It's been really a bad experience. A lot of nice people, but it's been a bad experience. I also ordered a couple of ramps from Amazon, which I'll have to put on in the garage because we don't want to have them outside. Hopefully she's only going to need them for a month or less. Get her leg healed up so she can put weight on it. And then she'll be able to go back to using her walker, which she can get up and down steps. Right now I'm going to have a ramp put in the garage. So I'll be parking the truck in the workshop or outside in the driveway, one or the other. My time is extremely limited. I can't leave her alone for very long because if she needs something, she can't go get it. She has to be helped to get up out of her chair and into the wheelchair and back again. So it's been an experience. I really appreciate all the prayers and well wishes that you guys have sent us over the 10 days, 9, I'm not sure how long it's been since I last spoke to you. I'm not going to be doing a lot of videos because I have way too much to do between insurance and home therapy and taking care of the bills and taking care of the house and taking care of Lydia. I don't think I'm going to have enough time to do anything. So just bear with me. Love you all, guys. Thanks for the prayers. God bless.